Oh, look, that's the Pontiac. That car, that's after we painted it. There's a couple of pictures of that car, Manny. That's like the engine compartment. And see here. Oh, that's my Caprice. So that's another car. Keep on going.
That should have been a 10-day project.
Oh,
Here we go.
No, bro.
4 years.
Yeah, and let's go to the green. There's a picture of the car in green. Yeah, so that's a 68 Caprice. I'm going to have Manny keep on sliding, and we'll go back into that picture. But, dude, that's a car that I bought. Uh-huh. Yeah. There's a green one that's before I did the body work to it.
It had a black top.
Yeah. You'll see. It's like, there you go.
That was after Ray bagged it.
Yeah. Gorgeous car. That car, we went to buy that car. I fell in love with that car because I've always liked that roof line. And, yeah, it's my personal car. That's the one I have in my garage at home.
It doesn't look as pretty now.
Oh, that's okay.
That's the pink one. And then, dude,
yeah, sorry, it's unrecognizable.
it runs. No, you're killing me, bro. You're killing me.
That's the way projects are.
Yeah.
When you get a project so nice looking and you take it apart. That's my biggest problem personally, is that I lose motivation when I see it taken apart.
Yeah.
And when I see that I can't work on it for whatever reason, it's work or I don't have time or whatever it is, when I go through that much time and I see it taken apart and nothing gets done to it, that's when I start losing motivation. I can't see a project through.
It sucks.
There you go.
And that car drives, Top G, that car, I took it.
He was going, that show at Potential, you were going 80, 90 miles an hour. I couldn't keep up with you.
The car drives, I took it from Hialeah to Kendall. What do you think, how many miles? For the people that don't know, Kendall's what?
Well, that was Cooper City.
No, I know, but I'm saying, like, let's say, look, Kendall. Hialeah to Kendall. Hialeah to Kendall is 18 miles.
Yeah.
I took it on the expressway.
It's probably longer to go to Cooper City.
Yeah. I took it on the express. Yeah, I think on 70. I did 100 miles. The car.
Yeah,
the car.
Going 80, 90 miles an hour. I was with that poor little
No,
convertible,
and
like, putting around. I'm like, this guy's going too fast.
The car didn't hesitate, dude. The car would have kept on going more if I would have gave it more gas.
It's a very pretty car. It had very few little issues that we had to take care of.
Yeah.
Or that you had to take care of, and you took care of them all right. You took
Yeah.
the doors off, hood off,
Bro.
trunk off.
So go back to the bodywork of the car in my garage, Banjo. So the car had a little bubble in the back, and yeah. All right. So it had a little bubble. Okay, cool. Look, all this had a little bubble right around here.
A little cracking.
A little cracking. And when I pop it open, the amount of filler and bad sheet metal work was insane. And it was all gas can. All this here was all gas can. You push it in, it would just boop,
and oil canning.
Yeah. And I had to shrink everything, weld a load of metal on the car. And then I saw a little bubble on the canvas top. Yeah, weird.
It was like a little hump.
Dude, it looked like a tree fell on the car at one point. And it had like half an inch of filler.
That was pretty terrible.
Yeah, I had to shave all that off.
That's pretty horrible.
Clean it all up, epoxy everything.
It looks beautiful.
And then keep on going, Manny.